My name is Jon McDaniel, and I'm extremely excited to welcome you to this special event of Thanksgiving and rosé wine pairings. I'm incredibly enthusiastic to bring you the legendary chef live from his test kitchen here in Los Angeles, Chef Wolfgang Puck. Chef, I know we have some amazing dishes that are going to be paired with the wines of Château de Berne and Alto Provence. What's your plan for us today?
Well, obviously we are doing a Thanksgiving celebration, and I'm going to show you a few recipes which are delicious, which pair really well with wine also. And I think at the end, you want to have a celebration. To me, food and wine go together. If you have the right food, the right wine, then it's a perfect marriage.
Throughout this tasting, we'll show you why exactly the wines of southern France, specifically of Provence, are such an amazing food pairing, such amazing wines for this time of year. You can get all of these wines at some of our friends, including wine.com, and some local grocers, especially on the West Coast.